Hello everyone. Today we will know about forest resources. So what are the forest resources? Let's say a forest, a biotic community with predominance of trees, is an important renewable natural resource. What is renewable? The things that we can again and again renew and use again and again is called renewable. Next is forest. What is the meaning of forest and how it is defined? Forest is a land covered with more than 10% of tree canopy. There are three types of forest. First is very dense, second is moderately dense, and third is open forest. Very dense forests have 70% of the land area tree canopy filled, and moderately dense have 41 to 70%. Then open forest. Open forest have only 10 to 40% of land area covered with trees. There should be 33% of land area covered with forest, then only we will have a healthy environment. But in India, on an average, we have only 22% of land covered with forest. Annual growth. From 1990 to 2000, only 0.22% growth was seen, and 2000 to 2010, only 0.46% was seen. Fuel wood consumption, 5 times more than sustainable, 80% rural and 48% urban people use fuels. What are the importance of forest? We use for commercial use, timber like plywood and door, raw materials like oil and bamboo, then edible products, natural habitat for tribal people, manure, fuel and wood, medicines, minerals, employment opportunity, recreation like tourism is also important, and thus it gives the commercial importance to forest. Now, what are the importance of forest for environmental functions? How it maintains the environmental functions? First of all, the regulation of hydrological cycles, produces oxygen, soil conservation, pollutants moderators, driving energy flow and nutrient cycles, wildlife habitat, and also reducing greenhouse gas. Now, what is the meaning of deforestation? Let's study about deforestation. Forest resources are very important for us, and we are destroying these resources, using it unjudgmentally, and thus it is causing so much problem to the environment. The permanent destruction of forest is called deforestation. Forests are exploited since early times for human beings to meet human demand. Now, what are the causes of deforestation? So, first of all, to meet the food demand of rapidly growing population, more and more forests are cleared off for agricultural purposes. Let's see the next. Construction of dams and canals and highways. Infrastructure development. Massive destruction of forest occurs for various infrastructure development like big dams, highways, projects, etc. Deforestation have many causes. One more is establishment of industrial areas. Raw materials for wood-based industry. Increasing demand for wood for making furniture, plywood, paper, matchbox, etc. result into tremendous pressure on forest. Next is demand of firewood. Increasing demand of wood for fuel increases pressure on forest. Another cause is expansion of cities. One more cause is mining. One more is shifting cultivation. Now, what is the meaning of shifting cultivation? It is a traditional agroforestry system in which felling and burning of forest followed by cultivation of crop for few years and abandon of cultivation allow forest to regrowth, causes extreme damage to forest. Next cause is forest fires. Forest fires may be natural or man-made, causes a huge loss of forest. That's all for today.